Hi everyone. I wanted to revisit the income tax problem because this problem will be on your exam and your final exam. So it'll be on test number 1 and your final exam. And this problem usually poses a challenge to students. So let's take another look. All right, the Marquez family paid $12,715 in federal taxes, and we're going to use this table to determine the family's adjusted gross income, okay? How much money the family earned for the year. First thing you need to do is identify how much the tax bill was. The tax bill was $12,715. Okay, then you need to look in the taxes column, look in this column, and determine which tax bracket the family is in based on the bill that they paid. I think the easiest way to do that is to estimate. So look at the bill the family paid, which was $12,715, and identify which bracket the family was closest to. So if we look at the first row, this bill would have been 10% of the income. Okay, the family paid way too much. This bill would have been $1,815. Is that very close to $12,000? No, it's not. This third bracket or third tier of income tax, the family's going to pay about $10,000 plus 25% of the income that's over an amount. So $12,000 is closer to $10,000 than it is to about $29,000. So the appropriate tax bracket would be this row. Again, we did that using logic and estimation. Okay? All right, so this $12,715 tax bill was comprised of $10,162.50 plus 25% of the amount of the family's adjusted gross income that was over, or the difference between the adjusted gross income and $73,800. And this is the algebraic equation that we could use to solve this. All right? And if we were going to go ahead and solve this algebraically, we would take the $12,715 and subtract from it the $10,162.50. And we get the difference of that is $2,552.50. Okay? So then we have this amount, $2,552.50 equals 25% of the amount the family made that was over $73,800. So if I want to solve this very easily, I know that 25% or a quarter is the same thing as 1/4. So this amount actually equals 1/4 of something. So I'll need to multiply $2,552.50 by 4. And I'll get $10,210. And that would equal the difference between the family's adjusted gross income and the $73,800. So in short, I'm going to end up adding. And once we add, we will find that the family's adjusted gross income that they made before they paid any taxes was $84,010. And this is the final answer.